Hey everybody, thanks for checking out our video today here at the Auto Connect. We have a 2012 Infiniti FX35. Really pretty. It's like a brownish, burgundy-ish, purplish color. Beautiful paint job on this car. It does have a ding here on the door. Do have some light scuffs on both the front and rear door. If you can see there. Pull back though, I mean, not very noticeable until you get really close up. But overall, really clean. And this one is loaded up, so has backup camera, adaptive cruise control, definitely ahead of its time for the year. Cooled seats, heated seats, rear entertainment system. Tires are in great shape, drives really good. It's a really nice brown leather interior as well. We'll go ahead and check that out. As you can see here, it's the rear head, the entertainment system up there. Infiniti definitely knocked it out the park with this one. This is a really nice car. Let's see here. We'll go ahead and start her up. Really pretty car. If this is something you might be interested in, definitely give us a shout. 228-438-2056. You could call us or text us. Shoot us an email, theautoconnectllc@gmail.com. Please like, comment, share, and subscribe. And if you have an Infiniti or Audi, Volkswagen, Porsche, any foreign or domestic luxury vehicle and you need some work done, definitely give us a shout. Thank you for checking out this video, and we appreciate it. Please like, comment, share, and subscribe.